Hello my lovely people, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Akpeje. Today I'm here again to share with you how I make this fluffy and delicious cinnamon roll. Do you love cinnamon roll? I hope you love this recipe. So without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, I'm measuring my flour. This is how I measure my flour. Just do it like this and use the spoon to flat the top. So I'm using 3 cups of bread flour. Then I'll save it. Always save your flour before using it. So 1/4 cup of sugar. I left some, be using it later. 1/4 cup of powdered milk and then pinch of salt. And I mix everything together very well. Now I'm using 2 teaspoons of dry yeast. The remaining sugar I add it to it, and then 1 cup of warm water. Then I mix it and cover it, let it rest like 5 minutes. So 5 minutes later, I add it to my mixed flour, and then I add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extra. And I start mixing it. The spoon cannot work again, so I go in with my hand. Now I transfer it to my self officer. Then I'll start massaging the dough. Now it's time to add my butter or margarine. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of butter. Then I'll continue massaging the dough until the dough is soft and smooth. Can you see that? So now the dough is ready. I'm using the butter paper to clean inside the bowl because there's some butter inside. Then I put the dough inside the bowl and cover it with my rubber and cling film. I will let it to rest like 45 minutes. So this is my filling. I'm preparing it. 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 3 teaspoons of cinnamon roll, and pinch of salt. Now the dough has doubled the size, so it's time to roll it and put our fillings in. So I'll roll it and make sure it's flat before I add my fillings. I'm almost there. So I'll roll it and turn it and roll it. Now this is the size I want. So now it's ready. It's time to add my butter and then put my fillings on it. So I'll just use the butter or the margarine and spread it on the top. Some people mix the butter and the cinnamon roll mix before spreading it on the top, but I like it this way. So now I add my cinnamon mix. Then I'll make sure the cinnamon go everywhere as covered with the cinnamon mix. So this how I want it. So now it's ready. It's time to roll it. So I will just bring it like this, lock it, roll it just like this. So I'll continue. I'm almost there. So I'll just be doing it like this. Then I'll take the remaining one and come and lock it at the top here. I'll make sure I lock it very well because I don't want, if I'm baking it, it should open. So that's my rope. You can use knife, but it won't cut it for you very well. So I'm using rope. You put it under, then you cut it with the rope like this. Can you see that? Can you see how nice it's looking? I hope you are loving the recipe. If yes, please Support your girl. Like the video, give your girl thumbs up, share the video, comment what recipe do you want me to make in my next video. Tell me, I will do it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more video like this. So now I let it rest like 30 minutes. Kind like you can see the dough, the cinnamon roll has double the size, so I use my egg and fresh milk mix. Then I'm brushing the top for that brown. I want the top to be brown, so I'll just do it like this and put it in the oven like 20 to 25 minutes. This how you look like it's ready. Can you see that? Can you see how fluffy it is? The aroma is everywhere. Can you see that? So now I'm doing this for somebody for his birthday, but he say I shouldn't put the frosting on it. That's why I'm not putting the frosting on it. So now I'm preparing the frosting. I'm using half cup of butter, soft butter. Then I'll mix it very well till it's white, just like this, and fluffy. Then I'll add 2 cup of icy sugar. I sieve my sugar already, so I'll mix it again very well so everything has combined very well. So now everything has combined already, but it's a little bit hard, but we want it very soft, so I'll add 3 teaspoons of fresh milk and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extra for the nice flavor. Then I'll mix it again till everything has combined very well. Can you see that? Can you see how creamy it is? The more you mix it, the more creamy it is. So it's ready. Thank you so much. Bye.